Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to sew together this miniature rose teapot and teacups using the pattern from my new book, Sew a Dress Up Frog Doll, which is available right now over on Amazon. This little tea set comes with the little rose fairy outfit. You don't need to be amazing at sewing to create the items from the book. The patterns are very straightforward and come with step-by-step photos and instructions and same size templates. Firstly, cut out your felt pieces. Once printed, the templates should match the size of those in the book. If not, you may want to adjust your paper settings on your printer. Then I've threaded a wide-eyed sewing needle with some green wool yarn for the handle. Tie a knot and snip off the excess. And then we want to sew in the little teacup handle, so starting on the inside, pull that through and then go back through to the other point. And there you have your little handle. Now just anchor on tiny bit of the felt on the other side and sew another knot to finish. Now we want to fold each side of the teacup inwards, so right sides together, and you carefully want to, so the handle now is on the inside, and then we're just going to blanket stitch the sides together. Repeat the process for the other sides. Okay, so let's turn this the right way out now. Just pop it out. And then we have our little cup. And the next thing to do is cut out the little flower for the base of the cups. Then we just add a little bit of glue, or you can use a dab of hot glue. And we glue that to the base of our cup. Okay, so just make the other cup the same way. So the main section of the teapot is made the same way that you made the cup, so we're going to just sew in the handle first. However big you want it. A bit bigger. And just anchor that on. Now we fold each petal up, so right sides together, and exactly the same as we did for the cups, we blanket stitch along the edges. Then using an awl tool or a thin pair of scissors, carefully make a hole for the spout where the point is. And now let's turn that out. Now just glue the base of the teapot to the flower the same way as you did the cups. For the spout of the teapot, I'm using some brown paper covered wire, and I'm going to twist that together to make it a little bit thicker. Next, just bend that into the shape you want. So kind of like an S shape. And next, just push that through the hole, and then make sure it's flush on the back like that. You can even glue over a little piece of extra felt over that just to make sure it's held in place. Now you want to take a scrap of felt fabric and roll it up. Then just check the depth. You want just over half the depth of the teapot. Check that it fits down inside and cut to length. Doesn't have to be perfect. Then we just glue the end around there and add a bit of glue to the bottom. You can use hot glue if you prefer. We just glue that down into the teapot. Then just cut out the oval tea section that goes inside. Glue that on top of the scrap felt section. You can just sew a little French knot for the handle on the lid like I've done on this one here. But this time I thought I'd just sew a little bead on. So going up through the point there. Now we sew the lid the same way that we did for the cup and the teapot, by just folding up the petals and blanket stitching. Then just turn out the lid. Like so. So once that's in, you have the illusion of tea, and also now you have a ledge for your lid to sit on. For the tray, simply cut out the leaf shape from felt and sew a blanket stitch all the way around the edge. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching how to make this miniature teapot and teacups. Don't forget that you can always resize any of the patterns in the book to make smaller or larger outfits for your other dolls or miniature teddies. I also have extra patterns of different add-on outfits that are available over in my Etsy shop, so please do feel free to check those out. And I'd love to hear your suggestions of new outfits and costumes that you think would look good on these little frog dolls, so please do leave a comment with your ideas below. Once again, thanks for stopping by guys, and we'll see you back here soon.